Just go! Sorry, recording. Sige, sa recording, Dirk. Oh, Nafi, it's recording. Dylan, stop it, Nafi out!
Where's Kyle?
I don't know, anything going up?
Let's kick him in there. What?
What? Why?
Nothing.
You're just bored, aren't you? Where's Kyle? I don't know. Where are we going? Where are we going? Ah, your chicken! Let's go to the holy poop downstairs. Sorry. Holy, holy macro, holy, holy.
The holy poop.
It's in sight. There it is. It's on the green. It's on the green. Quick. Faster. You guys go up. Just go up. I think you guys are being done because I already lost. Sure it is.
I smell chicken again.
Oh, chicken wings.
Yeah, over there.
No one. There's no one. I'm going back out.
Holy poop!
And you call it holy white?
I'm gonna use the camera.
No, you do.
You do it.
No.
No, you. I'll be the director. Someone who can
Sure.
Sure.
Stay there, okay?
What's even this?
Let's go.
What is this?
Let's go here.
This is madness.
No, it's not. It's Sparta.
Look, nothing to see.
Raspy, what the heck? Poop. Nothing, just poop. That's all.
Come.
It's just poop. That's all.
Come on.
It's just poop. What the heck? That's all.
Come on. You want to touch it? Hug it? Kiss it?
Swallow it. The poop touch. The cheese touch. The poop touch.
The rice touch.
Rice touch. Yup.
Oh no, you touched the railing!
The real touch. The real touch. That's the real touch.
Ano mo? Di ba nasa iyo?
Binigay ko sa'yo, di ba?
Fried chicken and rice.
Na. The real touch.
There's a real touch.
May chicken? Saan? Ah, okay. Binigyan sa nanay ko. I'll get for my mom.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't. Excuse me, please. Fried chicken. How much is it?
Huh?
Where will you eat outside na? Wala akong bariya.
Meron siya dito.
Okay, be careful with the change. I'll give it to me. Dan! Dan! Okay, how many, what's regular? What's I can get? Outside.
Here na lang kaya.
Where?
Chair kayo doon?
Ingat money for fried chicken. Ayan.
I'm gonna find my mom and get some.
Yeah, definitely. 500. Fried chicken. We're gonna buy chicken. Where can I buy chicken? Huh? Saan? Where? Oh, I can see chicken. Then let's eat first. Let's take a break.